Alright, this is a Rockford fosgate P1 8-inch. I believe it's about 300 watts RMS at, might even be 300 watts peak, I'm not sure, at 8 ohms. There it is. Wall socket. Wow! I did not expect that to last more than 2 seconds. Good work. So this is a 300 watt RMS, or 300 watt peak, 150 RMS at 8 ohms. So 8 ohms, I'm thinking from a wall socket, is probably around 800 watts, something like that. I'd have to figure it out. Maybe I'll put it in the description. But this thing stinks right now. I'm pretty impressed with how long it lasted, though, not gonna lie. Let me unplug this fucking thing. Alright, now that it's unplugged, so I don't fucking electrocute myself. Wish I could see inside there a little bit better. Actually looks like this spider. Huh. Spider's still good. Maybe I'll put in the description what ended up causing the failure. Alright, awesome.